Hey everybody, it's Tioke with Vagabond Culture. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today I'm sharing with you my top 10 essential travel apps. Please keep in mind that these apps are based on my opinion and what I find beneficial to me. Also, this is only part 1 of a 2-part series. Stay tuned for part 2 when I introduce my top 10 most convenient and useful apps. Again, thank you so much for watching and enjoy. Why hire a translator during your travels when you can download Google Translate for free? Google Translate is a multilingual service that instantly translates words and phrases between English and over 100 other languages. The first thing you want to do when using the app is to make sure the languages that you're wanting to translate are set. You have multiple options to translate. You can take a photograph of what you're trying to translate. You can use your finger to handwrite it on the phone. You can have a conversation with someone and it'll translate what both of you are saying, or you can use your voice recorder. Can you tell me where I can find the bathroom, please?
¿Puedes decirme dónde puedo encontrar el baño, por favor?
The World Clock app is a really cool app. It's free. I would use it if I'm traveling internationally or country hopping. First thing you do is hit the plus symbol at the upper right hand corner. From there, you will see the search bar. Type in whatever city you would like to be added to your menu display. If you swipe to the left, at that point you will be able to delete a city. If you hit the edit button, you will be able to move the cities to put them in whatever order you're interested in. And lastly, at the bottom left hand corner, you'll be able to change the clock status so you can go from analog to digital, vice versa. The Currency app is by far one of my top apps. I do not travel internationally without it. As you can see on my display screen here, I have a list of different currency from various places all over the world. So you will click on the appropriate one, type in the currency amount, and you'll be able to see that every currency in that list aligns with whatever you typed in. Add other currency by simply tapping the plus symbol at the upper right hand corner and a search box will appear. Download HotelTonight for amazing last minute deals at top rated hotels. Book tonight, tomorrow, and beyond. In the search box, you're able to type in the name of a city, neighborhood, or hotel. Then next, you're able to choose a date. Here you can see a list of the nearby top-rated hotels and their prices. Or you can simply scroll through the various hotels to get a visual. Select the hotel you desire and discover their accommodations. In my opinion, Skyscanner is the best app when it comes to comparing flights, hotels, and car rentals from more providers than anyone else, including Booking.com, Expedia, and Hotels.com. On the main screen, you have the option to choose a flight, hotel, or car rental. You will first select your from location, your to location, and the date. It will give you a list of available flights and you can choose your own flight time. You will do the same for your hotels as well as the car rentals. The SpeedCheck app is really a great app, especially if you are a YouTuber or if you're using the internet. The SpeedCheck app measures your network delay, download speed, and upload speed. When it's complete, you're able to monitor your results. At the bottom of the screen, you're able to click the Wi-Fi finder. It works hand in hand with that app. If you click that, then you're able to find your Wi-Fi hotspots nearby, share your network, get unlimited access to the internet, save places for future use, and work offline. WhatsApp Messenger is a freeware and cross-platform messaging and voice over IP service owned by Facebook. The application allows the sending of text messages and voice calls, as well as images and other media. With the app, you're able to utilize group chat. Keep in touch with the groups of people that matter the most. Message your friends and family for free. You're also able to keep the conversation going. With WhatsApp, on the web, and desktop, you can seamlessly sync all of your chats to your computer so that you can chat on whatever device is most convenient for you. TripIt is the most loved travel app by all travelers. So after booking, you can simply forward your confirmation emails to plans@tripit.com and TripIt will instantly create a master itinerary for each of your trips. It's a travel planner. So there are so many different things you can do. You can easily share travel plans or your entire itinerary with anyone. You can share your future planning experiences by providing feedback on the flights. So many things you can do. You can also opt to allow TripIt to automatically import travel plans from your Google account, Outlook.com, or Yahoo Mail inbox, so you don't have to forward confirmation emails. Where would we be without Google Maps? A lot of us would be lost. Literally lost. By simply searching for your desired location, you have the option to call the location, map it out with directions. You can log onto the website. You can also check the reviews for it. It offers satellite imagery, aerial photography, street maps, 360-degree panoramic views of streets, real-time traffic conditions, and route planning for traveling by foot, car, bicycle, air, or public transportation. Mobile Passport is a mobile app that enables travelers entering the United States to submit their passport information and customs declaration form to the U.S. Customs and Border Protection via smartphone or tablet and go through the inspections process using an expedited lane. Simply click on the app. It'll allow you to add your passport. You will scan it and it should automatically be able to upload your passport number, your name, date of birth, and everything else. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching my video. Please leave a comment letting me know which app you feel will be most beneficial to you. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you're notified immediately when I post my top 10 most useful and convenient travel apps. Thank you guys again so much, and I will see you on the next one.